Lori Ford.
If you would please give your name, who you're representing,
Sure.
and get as close to the microphone as you can, because this gentleman we just had, I could barely hear him. So
Right.
speak
I
up.
think I'm good. Tell me if I am.
All right, you're good.
Okay,
3
good.
minutes. You're on the clock.
Thank you. Co-Chair Keschel and Finchem and the rest of the committee, thank you so much for having people be heard. My name is Lori Ford, and I am with the AZ DCS Oversight Group. We are a grassroots organization. Pretty disappointing, but we have come to expect it, that as soon as the public starts to speak, DCS dips out. Not that I want to tell you how to, run your meetings, but possibly it would be more beneficial if you had the public speak, then you can ask DCS questions.
Well, I
So
think you
they
might
can
have
be
missed,
in after.
to that point, Ms. Ford, you might have missed my introduction of the DCS folks. This is not a hearing about DCS.
I understand.
That will come in due time.
I understand.
So
Just wanted to put
please
that out there.
proceed.
I don't want to tell you how to run your meetings.
Then don't.
So there's a lot of experiences with DCS and family court. As a court watcher, there's been many, many hearings where DCS wants parents separated. And this means cohesive parents as well. So DCS follows them through the family court system to make sure that they have filed their legal separation papers. Then this is brought up hearing after hearing. The next time, it's divorce. They want cohesive parents to file divorce. And by God, DCS is going to make sure that they hold those kids out as a carrot to make sure that happens. I've seen it time and time again. Representative Fink, you said that you've been involved with family courts. I hope you're attending the family court judges meetings. I attended every one of them for, 4 years probably. And back in 2021, family court presiding judge Bruce Cohen was meeting with DCS, and he guaranteed that all DCS records would be brought into family court when the family court judge ordered them. He said he met with DCS on several occasions, and finally it was agreed upon. DCS signed a document that they would have all records into family court within 90 days after they were ordered to do that. I spoke at every single one of those meetings, and all of a sudden that topic went moot. So I brought it up again. That's when Judge Bruce Cohen said, met with DCS. They don't have the capabilities of doing that.
Okay, so Lori, wrap it up, but I actually have a question for you. Was that something that they made in policy, like in their policy?
No.
What?
It was, I want to call it a promise of, something promise of something.
Okay, so we need to put something into
Yes,
law.
and I went through, I am like active note taker, right?
Well, we do have a staffer who attends those meetings.
Oh, who is that?
Lady in the maroon jacket. She may attend them remotely, but she is.
Sure.
Okay, so she is
So,
keeping a watchful eye.
because now they've rebranded themselves.
Well, and quite frankly, there's a funny thing about public meetings. Whenever you have a public meeting, that's a great source for future legislation. So I'm not going to reveal what it is we have on our agenda, but I'm pretty sure that committee is not going to like it. Okay?
I know.
Good.
Representative Fink,
Yeah,
you have
to
a
the
question?
point, yeah, with Representative Keschel. In regards to, between the judiciary, the family courts and DCS, you said they made an agreement. Is that documented? Is that something that
It
we
should
can
be
see?
documented. It was made with, Shalom. Oh, I can't remember what her last name was.
Was this for a specific, I'm sorry, to that point, is this for a specific case? Or is this for general standard operating procedure for the court?
Any
Okay.
DCS case, whether it goes back 10, 20 years.
Okay,
If there was a DCS case and these parents are getting divorced, or one has remarried and they're going to divorce the second guy,
okay.
they want all those DCS records in, which, by the way, the DCS guardian system, Judge Bruce Cohen said, doesn't have the capabilities. Hell, we've known that for years, and we have been in front of legislators, we have been in front of DCS committees complaining about that. It's still not done. So we have non-disclosure violation of rights,
Okay.
due
So
process
we-
for decades.
We will, at some point, take up the DCS thing, but that is somewhat outside of the scope of what this committee is for.
Right?
I'll be happy to make sure that you are informed of when that is. There is going to be, I believe, a House hearing that's going to deal with this. At some point during this coming legislative session, I can virtually guarantee that there will be something in front of the Judiciary Committee in the Senate.
Okay.
That would be probably a more appropriate time to have you speak to this, because we've still got a bunch of people and we've got 7 minutes
Yes.
left.
Well, there
Okay?
is a direct pipeline from
No, I get
DCS
it.
court to family court.
I get
So
it. Thank you very much.
thank you.
All right.